The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is located in Mumbai on the western part of India, touching the shores of the Arabian Sea. This building, designed by F.W. Stevens, is spread across a 2.85 hectare area. The terminal was built over a period of 10 years starting in 1878. This is one of the finest functional railway station buildings of the world and is used by more than 3 million commuters daily. This property is an outstanding example of Victorian Gothic Architectural Revival in India, blended with the themes derived from Indian traditional architecture. Its remarkable stone dome, turrets, pointed arches and eccentric ground plan are close to traditional Indian palace architecture. It is an outstanding example of the fusion of two cultures, as British architects worked with Indian craftsmen to include Indian architectural tradition and idioms, thus forging a new style unique to Mumbai. This was the first terminus station in the subcontinent. It became a commercial palace representing the economic wealth of the nation. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus building is the expression of the British, Italian and Indian architectural planning and its use for Indian railways. The entire building retains entire structural integrity. Its facade, outer view and usage are original. The premise of the building is a strictly protected area maintained by Indian Railways. The property is protected by a 90.21 hectare buffer zone. The terminus is one of the major railway stations in the metropolis of Mumbai and more than 3 million rail commuters use it every day. In addition to the initial 4 railway tracks, the terminus now facilitates 7 suburban and 11 separate outstation tracks. This has led to the restructuring of several areas in the surroundings and the addition of new buildings. Indian Railways are working to decongest this terminus and to deviate some of the traffic to other stations. The heritage building retains a large percentage of its original structural integrity. The authenticity of the structure expresses the rich Italian Gothic style through the eye-catching 3D stone carvings of local species of animals, flora and fauna, symbols, arched tympana, portrait roundels of human faces, and stone mesh works on the decorated rose windows. The elaborate detailing of the heritage building is original. It has carvings made in local yellow mallard stones blended with Italian marble and polished granite in a few places. The architectural detailing is achieved through white limestone. The doors and windows are made of Burma teak wood with some steel windows mounted in the drum of the octagonal ribbed masonry dome with the coats of arms and corresponding paintings in stained glass panels. There are large numbers of other embellishments in statuary, which the architect has introduced in decorating the grand frontage. These further include gargoyles, allegorical grotesques carrying standards and battle axes, and figures of relief busts representing the different castes and communities of India. In prominent places on the facade, the bas reliefs of the 10 directors of the old Great Indian Peninsular Railway Company are shown. The entrance gates to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus carry 2 columns, which are crowned, one with a lion and the other with a tiger, and there are tympana portraying peacocks.